So as you can see, this is how to keep things simple. All right, simple. There's no point of making things difficult or like show you many things that is gonna blow your mind. So this is how I keep things my strategy is simple, right? First touch, second touch, third touch. All right, trend line was broken. It's all right. I put my zone because I had another. You can see inside I had another like 4 touches to the zone. You can see the zone that I put it right here, and the market has been bouncing to the zone, bouncing to the zone, bouncing to the zone. But because I knew that the market is on downtrend, I couldn't do anything. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't do anything because I knew that the market is on downtrend. As you can see, it's already break the main zone, the main trend line, which means I've been expecting something like this, broke out, breakout, and then I had another zone right here. You can see here, and after that, I've been waiting for the pullback to the zone right here. All right, because at this point right here, I was not near the market. I went far away from the market, but once I come back to the market, I was already put another zone right here, as you can see. Let me show you. So guys, this is how I'm going to keep things simple for you guys to understand everything that is going on and for you guys to learn everything. So if you already subscribed to this channel, guys, as I said to you guys going to learn everything without paying any coin. You know what I'm saying? As you can see here, you can see the zone that I had here. You can see here I had zone from here, connect this high from the trend line, and you can see this side over here, the market break the zone, and then I was like, okay, it's all right, and I put this this line right here. So that I was like, okay, once the market does something like this, and then I will enter the market, and the market did the same thing as I did the same thing, came to the trend line, and you can see here I got this rejection candlestick right here. After the rejection candlestick, I just put up my stop loss. I was like, I told my team like, yo, you know guys, it's time to enter the market. You know what I'm saying? I entered the market with my team. So we entered here. Now you can see we're in a deep profit, but we expect to kill the market all the way to this level right here, because this is the only way to get out from this market. Let me show you. You don't need to mess up your trade, because if we can get out from here, we're gonna be doing nothing. We have to get out from here so that we can be able to catch 1 to 2, because you can see the stop loss, the TP1 is 1 to 1, but we're gonna catch 1 to 2. So another trade that I'm gonna explain you guys what we're about to do to this trade right here. Look at this. This is Euro USD. All right. If you're watching, you can see the time frame. I'm on 1 hour time frame. You know what I'm saying? Everything, guys, it's live. There's nothing to hide. You know what I'm saying? Because we both on same journey. We trying to make money, right? We both trying to make money. So there's no point of hiding things to each other. You know what I'm saying? You can see what I have here. You can see my analysis. All right. After the market has been popping up to the trend line, you know, you can see this is a high low, high low, high low. This was just like a retest and high. But even if the market has been giving me the high and high lows, I don't care about these ones, right? I don't care about these ones, because these ones, they're gonna make you lose, bro. They're gonna make you lose your money. If you can fall right here and enter as a buyer right here, bro, you're gonna lose your money. What you need to do, since the market doesn't want to break this trend, this zone right here, this is zone right here, the zone that you see here, if the market doesn't want to break this zone, there is no point of enter the market. All you need to wait for the market to break here. All right, to break this one right here and give you the pullback right here, then you're gonna enter with the sell. As you can see what I did right here. Or else, if the market couldn't do this, let me show you what we're expecting. So this is what I'm expecting. Show you. This is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting. All right. So it's gonna be one of this. It's gonna be one of this, guys. This is the secret. No one is gonna tell you this secret. I'm let you know this so that you guys can make money as well, because we both need money. You know what I'm saying? There's no point of hiding to each other some stuff. So you see here, I have this rejection right here, candlestick, but I'm still need more confirmations just to make sure that it's going to really break down. But in case I'm not gonna enter the market, I'm just gonna be watching. I'm gonna keep it on the screen so that as soon as did what I did right here, drop to this point right here, maybe to this zone right here, and then pull back to the trend line, then I will tell my team like, yo, let's enter the market. You know what I'm saying? But at the moment, don't do anything. Don't do anything. Just hold on, wait for the market to show you the really entry that you're expecting. So this is what I'm expecting. If the market is gonna break on uptrend, I'm gonna wait for the pullback to the zone, then I'm gonna enter. If the market is gonna break this one, I'm waiting for the pullback, I'm gonna enter. And this is too much pips, guys. This is too much pips. For it, this is how I do. This is how I do. If you like this kind of my content, and if you really like, yo, I like your tips, man, it's 100% true, you can subscribe to the channel, and also you can join the team, and we do this together. You know what I'm saying? Do this together. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this. If any question, feel free, leave the comment below, or you can just send me the message on Telegram. You know what I'm saying? It's like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I really hope you enjoyed this. And I think I got another trade that I would like to share with you guys. I think I got another trade I would like to share with you guys, but I think I got another trade that I would like to share with you guys. So every single time, guys, every single minute, guys, you must have something that you, every single minute, guys, you must have something that you expecting. You know what I'm saying? You must have something that you're expecting. And you can see this one right here. We're killing it, guys. We're killing it. This one, we're killing it as well. And same strategy, guys, I'm using. This is the only shit that's going to help you guys to get out from your situation. For it, trust me. Guys, see you on the next one, man. For sure.